Hi guys, I know many of you wanted to see what's inside the duck that makes a lot of fog and smoke, but I am very curious about this Baby Yoda and I hope you will be very interested too in what it does, the child from Mandalorian. Let's see what's inside it. So in the box with Baby Yoda we found this Mandalorian necklace. I don't know if I'm worthy of wearing it. It's made of plastic. Hope you guys can see it, but I will wear it like this. Okay. Well, I hope it will not affect the mic. We'll do this. And here we have Baby Yoda. Let's see. Here we have plastic parts. We have his little feet. And it's like that. Here is on try me, here is off, and now it's on. So, and now basically it's on. I like the clothes, so I can undress. More sounds. If you hover the hand above his head, they say he will use the force. Okay, Baby Yoda, let's see if I can undress you. Nice hands.
I feel so embarrassed.
He's not very happy. Okay. And we have undressed Baby Yoda. He has a lot of wrinkles. He is plastic here and here. And now he used the force. And he likes it. Yay! Nice Baby Yoda. He has nice, soft plastic rubber ears.
I have soft ears too.
Okay, no more playing. Let's see how he uses the force and where does the force come from. Okay. Guys, welcome to what's inside Baby Yoda. So one hand is not attached to anything. Looks like this. It's not doing anything. And this hand is linked to the head. Now let's try to open it. Where is the on-off button? Oh, there it is. Oh my god, I'm so nervous. Okay guys, it's time to see what's in Yoda's head. Wow. Okay. You might want to see here. This gooey stuff is grease. Yeah.
And I thought it is Baby Yoda poo.
Oh, sorry. Okay, I don't like what's this.
This is so thrilling. My teddy bear heart is racing.
Oh my god. Oh my god. And this is Baby Yoda's head, guys. Let's open it. I will keep one hand here. And let's see.
Big hit here. For Yoda to work, you have to touch his forehead, not just to hover your hand above his head. Finally, my human got it. Yay!
Here is something moving. Okay, guys, I will do one more thing. I will remove the face. Wish me luck. Guys, I cannot remove the face cover. I really can't. I have the head like this in my hand. I can show you again how it works. Strange, I feel a lot of force here on the ears. I'm sorry, I haven't discovered the way to remove the face cover. But I think I know a similar toy and we'll see how this works. Okay guys, now let's put Yoda back. Now that we have seen what's inside Baby Yoda.
Did you like Baby Yoda? Please let us know in the comments, and also comment what things you want to see open here on What's Inside.
Actually, in order for it to make the moves when I hover, purely coincidence, the force, in order for him to to make the moves when you hover your hand like this, it should have I don't know, like microwaves or something. So guys, I don't know, it's the force. So I am very satisfied that we have seen what's inside Baby Yoda. He's now sleeping. Yay, guys, see you in the next one. May the force be with you. Shh. Boom!
Let's have an understanding. Now what? Brother, what a way to run a railroad. Now, as I was saying... All right, let's get this picture started.